today we are doing a Connections Academy second grade supplies unboxing. So if you are interested in seeing what type of materials that second graders get, then this is the video for you. But before we get into that, I just want to take a moment to introduce myself for people who may not know who I am. My name is Rhea and welcome to my channel, Just Rhea. If you are new here, I hope by the time you finished watching this video, you hit that subscribe button, and I hope everyone hits that like button on their way out, and also share this video to someone who you think will help. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. Okay, you guys, so we have a big box, one big box, and I put emphasis on one because when my kids were signed up with K-12 for first grade, she had 4 boxes that were bigger than this size. Like, they were big boxes. Like, I wouldn't even be able to pick it up. But she had 4 big boxes with boxes inside the big box of books and materials that she would have to have used within her first grade year. So this is all that she gets for Connections Academy for the year. And let's just see what's in it, you guys. Of course I opened it, but because they wanted to see what was in it, but I wanted to share it with you guys too, so we kept everything in the packages. Okay. Whew. I gotta get me a table. Okay, so the first thing that I see is a Connections Academy 1st through 2nd kit. So I guess this kit is used for 1st and 2nd grade. So I don't have to buy, I mean I can, and I have, but as far as crayons, colored pencils, it comes in here. This kit includes a 21-piece art set, a paint set, 2 packs of construction paper, a 5-piece paintbrush set, colored pencils, and a drawing pad. And that's all the materials right there. All right. She also received her science kit this year. So in her 2nd grade science kit, she received, trying to see the piece of paper. Okay, that's good enough. Modeling clay, hand lens, 2 magnets, 3 thermometers, and safety goggles. So all of this is in this package. Now we're getting down to the books. I know a lot of you in the comment section in previous videos wanted to know, are the books used or new? With Connections Academy, sometimes you will get used books, however, they are like new, as in nobody has written in them or anything like that. But as far as for me and my kids, we have only received new books. So let's see what we got this year. And this is wrapped up. This has never been opened. This is completely new. All workbooks will be new. You will never get a used workbook because the workbooks are yours to keep. The only thing that they ask is for anything that's not hardcover, you keep. Everything that's hardcover, you return. But as you see, there are 2 hardcover books in here, and they're brand new. So she would be the first person to use these books. This looks like language and writing. Yeah, the first one is reading and writing, literature. Then there's practice books. I'm pretty sure, cursive handwriting. So she's gonna be learning cursive this year for 2nd grade. We have, and probably some other workbooks too. I guess I can open it and read it. So we have 2nd grade literature, reading companion grade 2, practice book, grammar practice book, phonics and spelling book, and handwriting cursive workbook. So that's all that she got for language and writing. Now, this is her science book. It didn't come wrapped, but it still looks really good. It may be brand new still, but you can tell that it's for second grade because of the 2. Every grade has the number on the grade level on the book. Every book has the grade level on the book. And you can tell by the print. The print is big print so that they can follow along and read. But this is her science book. So she's gonna have science this year, of course. Here is Science Reading and Writing Workbook, Building Skills. This is a book that she will keep, and there are workbook pages in it that you can do them online. Like for instance, they'll give you the worksheet to print off if you want to print it off, but you have the book, so you can just write in the book. I literally probably did print it probably like 5 pages last year. Okay, here's her social studies book. Social studies you will keep if it comes paperback like this. My 5th grader, however, I think hers is hardback, so we have to return hers, but not 5th grader, 6th grader. She's going to 6th grade this year. But for 2nd grade and for 1st grade, I know for sure it's paperback. So last year it was blue. This year it's purple. And this is chapters 1 through 5. So this is for the first part of the year. And if the second part is not in here, that means that she's going to get another box during the Christmas holiday season, probably around November for the second half of the year. So this is part 1. And okay, she has math, grade 2, volume 1. So she'll be working in volume 1 for the first half of the semester. And it's paperback, so she will not be returning this. She can write in this book. And then here is volume 2, the second half of math. So she will use this for the second half of the year. So far she has her math for the first semester and the second semester. She has her social studies for the first semester, and she has her science book and workbook, and all of her English literature, writing, and grammar books. She has her science kit and her art kit. So this wraps up the majority of the year. The only thing is, for the second part of the year, they're probably going to send her that second book, unless it's going to be coming next week, because I have some packages coming next week. So stay tuned for that. I'm waiting on my 6th graders packages that are coming next week so that we can do her unboxing for 6th grade. So that's why we're just doing 2nd grade this time. I hope that answers a lot of your questions in regards to books and supplies and things like that. When you are enrolled, you can get a good look at the supplies that are coming in your child's Connexes. In Connexes, when you click on their name and you click on like the text and the classes and stuff, it'll tell you what is coming. So if you've already enrolled, look out for that. You can always also call and ask, do you have any supplies coming? Sometimes they send you shipment notifications, but I haven't gotten any shipment notifications this summer at all. Packages just started showing up out of the blue. So here we are. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in another video. If you have any questions, you guys know that you can comment them below, and you know for sure that I will answer them to the best of my ability. I appreciate all the support that I have been getting in regards to homeschooling. I'm looking forward to doing more of those videos when school starts August 6th. So, hey. And if you've signed your child up for Connections Academy, guys, let me know in the comment section below. I am so delighted to see who all has joined the family. But without further ado, I am about to go. I gotta do another video. So I will talk to y'all later.